Hey, how are we? We're red again today. We've got maybe more death and carnage. I want to clarify right at the start for all the OGs here, or all the people here at least, right? The PLA code. So essentially, it's basically what we said. But here, let me just go to the video so I can tell you more. Basically, from a very good source, the PLA codes, they're essentially just they are a good sign, okay, and they are more bullish than I actually thought. They are basically it makes it easier, the PLA codes, for labs to adopt SAPHYRS once there are more and more PLA codes, specific OGM code in the future, yada yada. They're a key part in moving OGM further, and that part is a quote. So PLA goes to the moon, hell yeah, man. Yeah, so I don't know if I will make a new video on this. I guess no one really cared about it, but yeah, it is better than I thought, and a lot of people were talking about, it's a path to reimbursement. The insurance claims, insurance is more likely to cover it, or more likely to cover it if we got the PLA codes. I didn't hear that from the best source that I had. That's what they just said. So, but yeah, it's good. It's good news, right? It's good news for sure. We just don't know how much. We just don't know how much good news it is. Also, no one was able to send me the link to the actual article itself still, which is crazy, but all we have is Cisco Traders post on Twitter. We don't have the actual link to it, so that's great. So we don't even know when it's dated, right? We just have to assume that it's new. But, it is technically the effective date is new, July 1st. Okay, anyways, yeah, good morning, everybody. Good morning, Vietnam, baby. We're down like 0.2% right now. The markets, let's see here. Okay, we got what? We got 2 minutes of the open, boys. 2 minutes till the open. Where's Newsweek at? Oh, yeah, that's a good question. That brings me. Oh, yeah. So, yeah, Newsweek. I'm contacting a ton. I'm trying to contact all the news outlets in Springfield, and I'm in my little town/city here. And then we're gonna set up we're gonna be all over the news, bro. You're gonna see Auspicious Descent and Newsweek all over the news tomorrow. Probably not really. It's just local small news outlets. If any of them actually take us, I don't know if they will. It looks like a couple of them might, but Bitcoin is plummeting. I did not see this. I did not see this yet. Holy, I did not see this. Yes. Go. Keep going down. Yes. Okay, here we go. I'm about to dump some money in more. I'm about to dump some more. I think I'm gonna name one of the streams one of these days, FOMOing into some stock live, because I want to do that. I think that'll get views. With the other account that's got a couple $100 or $100 in there. I think we're gonna do that. But yeah, should we short Mara? No. Well, should we short Mara? Well, here's the thing. It's complicated with Mara. We got 40 seconds of the open, so I'll leave it on BNGO for now. Yeah. Here, actually, no. I'll put it on the broader market watch list. Before we get started, guys, we got 35 seconds here. What is everybody's prediction for the day? All right, yeah, I'll ban Marco here in a little bit if he keeps being annoying. I'll give him a chance. I try to be fair, so I'll give him a chance to stop spreading FUD. If he doesn't, we'll ban him. I'll put him in timeout. Let's go. Let's LFG 827.8. Everybody is so bullish. I love it. We're always so bullish. In every prediction, we're always so bullish. All right, here we go. Let's put on the 1 minute chart. Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, no. No. Holy. What the? Who is selling? Please sell now if you don't know what you're doing. Man, we've got selling. No. We're going up right now, but we've got a ton of selling. How are we going up right now? We're getting a sell side imbalance for once, which is actually great. But this is so surprising, though. Yeah, 10,000 shares, about 20,000 shares. Not that many shares sold at the open, but a fair amount. There's no volume. I think that was like one of the worst volume opens that we've had in a while, if I'm not mistaken. I'm going to compare that here in a little bit. Right now, I'm going to leave it on the chart. 720 right now. Markets are opening up. Nasdaq's even. SPY is basically even. The Russell is getting killed today again. oh, there we go. 11,000 shares just bought right there. Oh, baby, we're going up a couple cents. Oh, man. 725 is the intraday high now. We got like, what is that? About 15,000 shares bought at the ask there. See, that's what you like to see. When you actually get huge, this is what it should be. When you actually get 10,000 shares bought at like 2 cents above the price, it should go up a couple cents. And that's what we saw there. So that's fine. It's like, okay, that's good. That's fair enough. Usually that doesn't happen. That's why I complain so much. Not really. Well, I guess, yeah, I pretty much am complaining. But the buy side imbalances, right? That's what that's what it is. That's what it derives from, right? Are we green now? Are we close to green? We are. Okay, we're green now. Yes, we're the only thing that's green ever. Oh my God, look at this. Okay, let's enjoy this moment while we have it. Look at this. Everything else is red. Whew. Man, what is Mora doing? Man, this is a crazy open. This is crazy. I don't know what to do. Door size going down. Good. I'll buy that. I'm gonna start. I started the new account. I was thinking yesterday. I started the new account, the Roth IRA account, literally just to do just for fun on the streams. And I decided, all right, we're gonna start FOMOing in and buying stuff and day trading shit all the time because we might as well. You might as well. 727 new intraday high. But look at okay. I gotta go back to the chart. Hold on. Since once we start bleeding here a little bit or cooling down, I'll look at the high growth. But let me reiterate something to y'all. Russell 3000 inclusion is this Friday. High growth right now is getting decimated. Bionano is doing well, although yesterday Bionano disproportionately went even worse. So I guess you can make the argument that this is just, dead cat balance, I guess. But yeah, fact of the matter right now is that the markets are kind of getting killed. Microvision is getting killed. Microvision had the offering thing yesterday. Nano's getting killed. Torchlight's down. Zomedica's getting hurt. Mara, Bitcoin's just dying, okay? I mean, let me look at this again. Woo! Are you kidding me? Doge is down 60. Doge is, oh man, rip the Doge people. Do we have any Doge people in here? I think we do. Doge. Look at this chart. That's, oh man. Yeah, the crypto hype and interest is kind of gone, right? And I like crypto. You guys know I like it by and large, but the interest for it is just gone. It's just absolutely gone. Yeah, if we look at Morrow right now, God, this thing always runs at the open every single time. Look at that gap. On the 1 minute chart, look at that gap. What the heck? That never happens. That almost never happens. That's insanity right there. Look at this gap. Man. That's insanity. That's insanity, man. All right, hold on. Let's look at some other stuff. Let's see if there's any buys. Oh, man. BNGO's about to turn red now. Oh, it's so close. No. We need to be going up, not down. Achu, where are you? Form the doji, then form the hammer, then we go. Come on, boys. Pump it. Pump the stock. Go. No, they are trying to put it down and wait for Russell. Maybe. Yeah, well, probably not. But it's just what high growth does. Like I said yesterday, if high growth goes down, Bionano will probably go down. Today, high growth is down, and now we're down. Damn it. Yeah. What is the title of this stream? Deeds will not be less valuable. Should I title the stream Bam Marco Brandon? All right, sure. I'll put him in timeout. Rip Doge and BNGO. Oh man. Yeah, it looks like it's a yeah, we're getting killed. We're getting killed. Culver's doing well. CTXR, of course, is doing well. Every day CTXR does well. Oh my gosh, this thing CTXR. I mean, even if it is as good as I think it is, it's still going up an insane amount. That's for sure. It looks like the markets are getting well. It looks like the Nasdaq's doing well actually. Yeah, what the heck? High growth, man. Wow, I'm surprised. High growth is going down 2 days in a row. Very surprised. This is very weird. This is not good. This is not good because I thought there was going to be a sector rotation back into high growth. That's what everyone was kind of thinking. And then today, in the last 2 days, it's kind of been, it could be just a normal cool down. Obviously, hopefully it is. But, right now, it's not. I mean, it's fine. Long-term, mid-term, it doesn't matter. Obviously, short interest. Let me look at the short interest today. Hold on. Is there any news that we missed? I don't think there is. Hold on. Oh, my gosh. Wow. Guess what? The short interest is higher. Yes, of course it's higher. Every day. Every single day, the short interest is higher, man. Oh, it's so frustrating. Let's see. Do we have news? Oh, we have news. Maybe. Okay, this was today. This was 5 a.m. Eastern time. So this is what? This is 4 hours ago. Okay, do y'all want me to go over this article or keep it on the chart? You tell me. I'll do whatever you guys say. We're even right now. We're waiting for JP this morning. What? JP's not talking this morning. Unless they added an event that I'm not aware of. Oh, no. Oh, no. No, no, no. Well, okay, no, no, no. Today's Tuesday. We already had this crap. Yeah, today's the 22nd. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, we have to testify. Well, it's on Corona. Why does... I don't understand why this man... Why they had the Fed share testify and all this other crap. Article? Okay, I will. It looks like a lot of people hate it. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Bionano Genomics, did Reddit squirrels find a nut? Okay, that's not a good start. Whenever I see a stock trending on Wall Street Bets subreddit, I get suspicious. Anyone can post there. There's just no credibility. Okay. All right. Great. A push from the Wall Street Bets crowd. It really didn't. Let's see what his evidence is on this. It got a decent push, but not a huge one. Okay, yeah, one post on Wall Street Bets is evidence for a going up 1,500%. Yeah, no, it's not. It's not true. Oh. Bionano is a complete speculation. Is it a worthwhile one? Costs about $150,000. Then there are consumables, regions for making tests. Bionano also sells testing as a service, about $1,000 per test. SAPHYRS does not yet have FDA approval, although that doesn't matter outside the U.S. It's used in cytogenetic research. There's nothing important here yet. I'm trying to skim for the good stuff. There's no good stuff in here. Burning Cash Bionano only became public at the start of the year and currently trades at near the level of its first trade. The March quarter report looked good. Product sales about 2 million. Okay. All right. Is there anything? I mean, I feel bad. I'm missing the chart. Now we're green. I feel bad. Wrong info. Wrong info. 11,000 shares just bought at the ask right there, helping the price to go up. We're going to go back to the chart one second, but this is a new article. I want to go over the rest of this if we can. At least skim it, for anything that is. I don't think there's anything new here, but cutting edge of the DNA sequencing market. Okay, cutting edge. Hold on a second. Bionano is on the cutting edge of the DNA sequencing market. We're not technically in the sequencing market whatsoever. I mean, we're complementary to sequencing. We're not in... What the hell? No one says that. Not even the analysts and journalists are stupid enough to say we're in the sequencing market. We're in the freaking OGM market. We're taking some of the sequencing market share, but we're not in that market. Whatever. This is indeed a huge opportunity as DNA involves something as a programming language. Okay, yada, 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 yada. Oh my gosh, this is so boring. I would like to see more than a short squeeze before recommending a stock. Our Muslim something is hesitant to step in at Bionano's current price. What? Oh, yeah. You guys remember this article? The bear case for Bionano Genomics carries more weight. Yeah, remember, look at the date, okay? May 28th, right? May 28th. What price were we at on May 28th? $6 a share. This man told everybody to sell and short and buy puts right before we freaking went up 30%. Isn't that just beautiful? That's just poetic justice right there. I love that. That's beautiful. What the hell's going on with 729, by the way? Why are we getting rejected at 729? What's up with that? Do we have a resistance there that I'm not seeing that I don't know about yet? Not really. Okay, there you go. There you go. Perfect rejection of the 2-hourly SAR. There you go. Yep. Yeah, the new short SEC rule, whatever it is. Okay, let's see. But unlike most of what I see on Reddit, it's not unreasonable speculation. Throw some money at Bionano if you want, but no, it will take years to learn whether you've hit bingo on BNGO. See, that's just completely wrong. Claiming that's absolutely okay. I don't even think I have to explain why that's absolutely dumb as hell to say it's going to take years to know whether you've hit bingo on BNGO. No. You're going to... I mean, okay, that could be right. We could trade sideways for a long time, or another possibility, right? Something happens, like the revenue does what we think it is, and that alone, right? Even if the revenue matches the Simply Wall Street analyst projections, we're going to be guaranteed $10 minimum end of year. I mean, minimum. Probably, honestly, maybe 15 minimum. But, I mean, yeah, I think so at least. I mean, come on, doesn't everyone think that 16 million this year? Last year we only got 10 million. Okay, if we're making 60% year-over-year revenue growth, that's pretty damn good, I would say. Anyways, yeah, that's total. This is total shit. I mean, there's nothing in here. Here, my view is that if you believe Bionano has a viable solution and can sell quantity, the current price of the stock is irrelevant. The problem is that I don't know the answer to that question. Right, of course, you're right. Yeah, you don't know, which is why are you saying, if you don't know if the Bionano Genomics is, if their product is a viable solution, how can you tell me that this is pure speculation? You haven't done your damn research. You don't know for sure if it can or cannot. You don't know what the likelihood is. That's bullshit. That's bullshit, man. That's as simple as it gets. Our volume, yeah, I said earlier, the 1 minute right at the open, the volume was absolutely horrible. Let me compare it to yesterday. Look at this. Look at this. Now, let me give you some perspective here, everybody. The volume yesterday was horrible, okay? The volume yesterday was awful, okay? 15 million, that's horrible. Today, we are on track right now. It looks like we are literally on track to like less than, I don't know if you say less or more, but we're on track to have our volume like today compared to yesterday, right? We're on track to get less than 10 million volume, which would probably be, have we ever got less than 10 million volume? I don't think we have. I think we've always had 10 million volume. Yeah. Very close a couple days, but I think we've always had 10 million volume since for this year. I think we always have. Yeah. It looks like it. Maybe like 1 or 2 days. Today we are on schedule. We are on pace to miss. The volume is so bad. Oh, it's so bad. It's so horrible. Mara is sinking. Good. Yes. Yes, go down. Go down. High growth is still getting killed. No, maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, looks like stuff is more stuff is going green now. Interesting. This is why it's so weird. It's like high growth now just moves by itself the last 2 days. It's so weird. High growth usually moves with at least a little bit of correlation to the NASDAQ, like a little bit. Today it's just like no. Today and yesterday it's just like hell no. What the hell is up with this too? What the hell's up with that quick dump? There's no shares being sold. There's no shares. Okay, there's not even 10,000 shares being sold there. We dropped like what, 10 cents? No, not 10 cents. That's more. Hold on. We dropped what? 5 cents? Close to 10 cents. Damn, man. Buy side imbalance. There you go. We got another buy side imbalance. Short interest is higher today, by the way, everybody. If anyone's just getting in here, the short interest is higher today. Look at this. They are going to short this. Oh my God. They do not stop. They're going to get screwed one of these days. I think they will. I could be wrong, but the arrogance is insanity, right? They're already up a lot. They've been down in the red so much, and they decided to hold and average up. And, you know, short term right now, it looks like they did it smartly. Right now, they can take profits and cover and actually make some money. But no, they're increasing and not covering whatsoever, indicating and implying that they're thinking this is going to go way lower. And if it doesn't go way lower, they're going to be screwed one way or another. They're going to have to cover at one point. That's why the squeeze is not. That's why the squeeze possibility is not nullified at all, in my opinion, at all. That's what I think. Jordan Brandon's wife, I have a good feeling about this. What? What do you mean? What do you mean? Nasdaq red? Yeah, Nasdaq is going in and out. Yeah. Have you calculated what maximum revenue would be with 153 SAPHYRS installed? If you have, we know top something for revenue for first quarter next year. Well, if we were to get 153, which is interesting because they're projecting 150 SAPHYRS installed this year, or in total at the end of this year. It would be, our revenue would be, what was it? Yeah, I did calculate that. I don't remember off the top of my head, but it's like, what was it? I forgot what it was exactly, but it's a damn high amount. It's a lot, my friend. When do they have to cover? Well, that just depends. The days to cover is pretty low. So if they wanted to exit their positions, they could do it relatively quickly. But yeah, they're not going to they're not going to cover in a way that would instigate the short squeeze until we start going up. It's as simple as it is. All right. I mean, it's just not enough for them that are actually going to take profits here to do much. I don't think so. Oh, it looks like we might have another boring day. Let me look at this. Let me see if we got any other news here. If anyone doesn't know, we have this bad boy right here. We have the webinar coming in June 30th. Russell 3000 inclusion is this week, Friday. They're adding tens of millions of BNGO shares, most likely, hopefully. Right, hopefully. All right, let me go to some other stuff here. What is AMC doing? Okay, AMC's down 6%. Ooh. Good. Go down. I want this to hit 45, then I'll actually like put some shares in. Like right now, I think I have 1 share. I'll actually put a lot of shares in. Oxygen down. GameStop doing well. That's weird. Mora's down 9% now. Yes, go down more. Go down more. Oh, it just broke below this. That's scary. Downtrend territory for Mora and Bitcoin, maybe. Let me go to Bitcoin. Hold on. Investor Place just broke news that growth stocks are not profitable at first. Man, they are smart. Everything trending in StockTwits. What are you talking about? We know that every machine won't have 100% utilization at that point, but we would know the maximum potential revenue. Yeah, if you're talking about consumables, yeah, what do you call it? Patriots Pub in the Discord actually did calculate the consumable. Just go to the let me show you. Let's go right here. Okay, so if we were to this is what it would be at the current Sapphire max capacity. So, this is unrealistic. Let's just take just take half of these numbers or a fourth, right? But this is what we're looking at. Okay, so 12 human genomes. 12 human genomes times 30 days equals 360 times this amount for each cost per genome equals that amount per month, that amount per quarter, and this amount per year. That's 1 Sapphire running at full capacity. So it's kind of hard. You know what? He probably needs to go in here and give us some more calculations because it's just I cannot do that math in my head. That's too complicated. I cannot do that. Let's go back to Bionano real quick. Okay. Oh. Good. Oh, man. Atu, you betrayed us. Atu, hold on. I'm getting a lucky hat. I put the suit on today for good luck. I need the hat as well. We're getting killed right now. Holy. Well, it looks like we got some buying opportunities. Looks like the good news is at least we can do some trading today, hopefully. At least I can find something to do. Let's look at Bitcoin. Hold on. Let's look at Bitcoin. Yeah, I thought this thing had a buy sit on the 4-hourly. It did for a second, and now it's super oversold. This thing is getting way oversold. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm going to have to buy some more. Yes, sir. Last time you were this oversold for Bitcoin, well, at least last time you were below 20, that was, easy buy. So, yeah, hopefully that keeps going down. I'm going to buy some more here in a little bit. Another day of going down for no reason. Well, there kind of is a reason, but not really. But, yeah, there's no reason why high growth should be down today besides just a cool down. But, yeah, high growth's getting annihilated. I mean, yeah. Today the markets are down. It's very weird. Very weird. Today and yesterday has been very weird. I have no idea why people are selling off on a high growth today. Is it because of inflation's gone down, man? This is what's so crazy. Everyone used to care about the 10-year break-even inflation rate. No one cares about this anymore. I mean, inflation has gone down a substantial amount. This looks like a reversal. This looks like inflation has peaked and looks like it's going to go down. It already has gone down a lot. No one cares. People still selling off high growth disproportionately for some reason, which does not make much sense to me. But yeah, we do have here. Maybe this is what's freaking the markets out today. We have one Fed president. No one really cares. I mean, yes, those matter, but no one. Well, okay, we have JP testifying on coronavirus. If Bitcoin hits 3K, I'm selling out and leaving the Fellowship of Sapphire. Oh man. Well, I don't think that's gonna happen, but who knows? Who knows? Why is it? Man. Yes. Oh no. Wait. Okay. Oh no. I thought that was more for saying down 13%. Hold on. Okay. Let me see. I want Mara to go down just a little bit more, and here's why. Here's why I want Mara to go down a little bit more. Okay. I want this to cascade here in the day. I want this to get down below 20. And I also want the RSI. Well, the RSI is at 31 right there. Can't really get much better than that. If you look at Mara, let's check out how Mara's looking there. Mora's got more room to go. You see, this is kind of what's scary if you're going to buy Mora right now. Mora is not doing as bad as Bitcoin is right now. And Mora is still Mora is still closer to being overbought than oversold on the stochastic indicator. So it's, it's weird. It's like, well, are we going to get a correction in these next few days for Mora? I would like to see Mora down 15% today. Usually when Bitcoin is down 11%, Mora's down 20-25%. Okay, that's as simple as it gets. Usually it doubles it or triples it. Today, not really for some reason, which is weird. Oh my gosh. Are we really? Oh no. And let me check this. Oh no. Oh no. 704. Guys, I don't want to scare everybody. Long term, I'm still hodling all my shares. I'll go down with the ship if I have to. You guys know what I mean. And of course, even if we do break below this, it's not the end of the world. But if we break it, if we close the day below the 21 SMA on the daily, we're pretty much in downtrend territory. At least that's what that indicator would tell you. And looks like right now we're literally testing that right now. Wow. Yeah, but right now it's at 704 and our price is at 704 almost. This is insanity, man. This is insanity. Maybe we're gonna get that buying opportunity. I mean, we're still at $7, so we still got a while to go if I'm gonna really triple my position. But damn, sold half yesterday and got into Wish. Best thing I've done in ages. I'm glad for you, my friend. Week after triple witching expiration is usually pretty bearish. I don't know about that. I mean, I don't know. Markets are horrible today. High growth is horrible. High growth is horrible. What? Oh no. Here we go. Okay, we're breaking down. Wow. Unless this is a false breakdown, I don't want to get everybody's. I don't want to like sadden everybody, make everybody sad. But I mean, if we close the day below 704, that's pretty much as bearish as a close as you can get. 16,000 shares sold at 704. They're trying everything they can to push this down. Short interest is higher today. High growth is going down a ton. Dude, they got... Buy more BNGO. Do it. Do it. Anakin. Do it. 707. Oh, God, this is painful. I want Mara to go down to I want Mara to be down 13 to 15%. Yeah, Bitcoin's at 28K. Dude, come on. I need Mara to go down a little bit more. Yeah, I need Mara to go down a little bit more. Is Ethereum still in bullish territory? I'll be surprised if it is. Is it? Oh, nope. Ethereum, nope. Oh, GG for all the Ethereum people. Bearish territory now. Damn. Bitcoin really can't go down much lower though. That's the problem. I'm hoping Mara goes down though, just because people start waking up. Yeah, here we go. Here we go. Oh wow, 703. All right, looks like we are. Looks like we're trying to. I mean, we'll see if we do. Damn, I can't believe we're testing it today. I can't believe it. 2 days ago. Wow. I'm surprised. I really am surprised. I did not predict this at all. I mean, technically, I always say if high growth goes down, Bionano will go down. That's exactly what we've seen. But, I didn't think it was very likely. Well, okay, here we go. Here we go. We're going to test $7, 24K shares to be bought. $7. We're about to test it. Oh, man. This is ugly. I will buy more, though. I will. Oh, there it is. $7 gone. A completely fake wall. Or people just getting scared and moving it down. Probably both. Well, yeah, both. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me? This is insanity. This is insanity, man. And here's the thing. Here's the thing. I know you guys are tired of hearing this at this point, but if it just goes down more, I'll just buy more. I'm serious. Part of me does want it to go down more. The only thing that sucks for me is the people that say Bionano doesn't have a future now that we're down, for whatever reason, right? Their reasoning fundamentally is because it's red today and they don't like stocks that are red today, right? But that's what gets on my nerves. Today I'm taking this better than I thought, just because I haven't seen any comments that are just complete shit. But yeah, if I start seeing that, I'll just ban them because I'm not gonna take it today. I don't want to. Well, I'm not gonna do it today. 9,000 share just sold at 702 at the bid, helping the price go down. High growth. I mean, this is what you call high growth decimation. You guys want to know what decimation is? Oh, Clover's up 20% now. Yeah, Friday is likely to be good. Yes, that's true. Torchlight is down 7%. Nano Dimension is down 2%. Microvision's getting killed because it got the offering thing yesterday. Mara needs to go down more. Bitcoin is down a ton. What happened to Bitcoin, by the way? Why did Bitcoin actually go down? Hold on, let me look at the news tab. What happened here? Bitcoin finds support at 30K. That's funny. Doubles down on rooting out crypto in China. That's 7 hours ago, though. This just happened. Like, how long? When did the sell-off start? Okay, I guess it's been pretty recently. Yeah, in the last few hours. China cracking down on miners. They're shutting it down. Bitcoin whales dumped due to China. Bought me more BNGO and on my way to one Ethereum. I love red days like this. Let's go. I know. Yeah. It's hard for me personally to really be happy on days like this, but I recognize that I should be happy. But you know, the short term, the channel ramifications cloud my judgment for the portfolio. You know, so that's why sometimes I'm pissed on these days. I mean, I'm pissed most days, even if it's a green day. I'm mostly pissed, right? I'm pissed every day when I see the comments I don't like, right? Oh man. Short interest at 25.16. Short interest has increased today. It's up almost 1.5%, up over 1.5% today. Almost at 50 million shares currently sold short, not yet covered. I think the shorts are going to keep shorting this and silently keep covering through the day until quarter two earnings, unless we get a massive buying power from retail investors. Wall Street bets. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know what to say. Look at the volume. I don't know what to say. Look at this. Look at the volume. This is the worst volume that we've had in a long time. Oh, it's like less than half of what it was yesterday. We'll see. I mean, short term, listen to me, everybody. A short term, our hope is this. The hope for Bionano short term is that we close the day above 704. That's our hope. Let's hope we do that. If we do that, it's not over. I mean, it still could be over, right? We don't know, but there's still hope short term if that happens. Long term, mid term, of course, none of this shit matters. Woody, we need you to buy 20K at the Ask ASAP. I know. I know we do. So yeah, it's 625. Dude, what happened to Mythical Physics and Howard? I don't know if it was Howard, but what happened to all the bears that were so bullish on BNGO like last week? Not last week. Well, yeah, like a week and 2 weeks ago. Everyone loves it when it's up. Everyone hates it when it's down. It's like once it starts going down, it's like, yeah, see you at the bottom. It's like, dude, you don't know what the hell's going to happen. When you've been in the market for many crashes, you realize that getting mad isn't worth and helps nothing. Just be positive in what you believe in and buy. I don't get mad because of the market. I'm actually, a part of me is very happy that we're actually getting killed today, right? Believe it or not, right? I know you probably didn't expect me to say that, but I have a ton of buying power on me for a reason, and this is it. the possible bear case, and I hope I've said this enough. I think I have. I said this almost every video, at some point at least. The buying power that I have on me is for the potential bear case, which is Bionano. I mean, the bear case essentially is us going down to $6. Realistically, $6 is probably going to be a floor. $4, $5 and $4 are very unlikely. At least I think they are. Mostly because of the rubber band effects. Theoretically speaking, the market corrects 20% from now. The broader markets, Bionano could easily see $4 even. Is it likely? I don't think so. And the main reason why I don't think it's likely is because fundamentally we've gotten so much better than what we were at 430. I don't think it doesn't make sense. It doesn't. If we were to dip down to $4, unless there's something justifying it, like a negative news catalyst, something that we actually know about the company that we didn't know before, there's no reason why that should happen. But anyways, as I'm talking right now, we are breaking down. We're breaking down. I think this is a justified or a confirmed breakdown right now. Damn. I can't believe this. I mean, I can, but it's just I didn't think this was gonna happen on a day like this. High growth. I mean, Bionano's. I mean, we're down 3%. It's rough, but yesterday we were down a ton more, so that makes it hurt a little bit more. It's not decimation. The high growth decimation was back when it was 10% and 5%, literally 5 days a week for like a few months straight. That was decimation. Right now we're getting, I don't know, a pullback. So yeah, what do you call? Somebody asked me about Newsweek. Yeah, okay, so Newsweek. I'm talking with all the news outlets in Springfield right now. Not all of them. Okay, a lot of them. Hopefully, some of them, one of them at least, is going to want to cover the story, which is a YouTuber and a $7 million shareholder in BNGO interviewing about a very good maybe theory. I haven't heard it all yet. I was on the phone with him yesterday, and I really like what he has to say. He was talking about, well, I guess I won't spoil it, but I'll just say Fulgent Genetics. I'll just say this: a multi-billionaire. Well, I don't know what to say. I'll say this. It's very interesting and it could be huge, but I don't think y'all will think it's as big as I do. But it's certainly insane news. His experiences with BNGO and why he's holding. And I don't think he's actually said this. In his videos before. But yeah, we're gonna and that's gonna be tomorrow. That's gonna be tomorrow morning, and then hopefully you guys will see me on the news. Us on the news. Newsweek and I. Mark and I. 7:02 right now. I'm bullish on BNGO at all times. Red market does not represent BNGO long term. Short term guys need to rethink BNGO. Long term, relax and enjoy the ride. Yeah, I agree. I'm with you. I agree. I could not agree more. 7:03 right now. We've got a ton of shares being bought. Woo, baby. Brandon, we need you to drop that 6K on BNGO ASAP. Oh, I will, but not ASAP. At some point, mark my words, guys. You guys think I'm joking. You guys think I'm bullshitting you. I will add all the money that I can. I'm serious. All the money that I can, I will be YOLOing into BNGO at some point. Yeah. Yes. Sold all out, going to scalp, wish, and then accumulate BNGO. Okay, well, that's better than selling out and starting to short. Please don't become a bear, guys. Think about what a bear is. A bear is just trying to, if you have a couple short shares, it's not a big deal, of course. But at the end of the day, you're attempting to bankrupt, and you're participating in trying to bankrupt a company, right? And the reason why that doesn't work long term is because America and the economy and capitalism and the free markets, if it's a good company, even if it's not a good company, stocks in the business and the GDP, it just keeps going up, man. Not the rate, but it just keeps going up. It keeps growing. So that's why it sucks to be a long-term bear. My point of that, it may sound a little bit weird there, but basically my point is that if you're going to become a long-term bear, good luck, right? You cannot be a long-term. Try buying SPY puts that expire in 2023. Okay, have fun with that, right? It's you better if you're gonna do that, fine, but just don't hold it for years. If you're gonna do it, get out of there soon. So my point of that is, yes, of course it's bad to be a long-term bear, but if you're thinking, maybe I should be shorting, I would have made a ton of money today. Well, firstly, you need to zoom out and see even though we're down so much today, we're still up. We're still up a very significant amount. Okay, we really are. All right, we're still up a fine amount, and yeah, it's carnage today, but okay, let's see if we confirm the breakdown here. 704 is where the resistance should be. Yep, 704. Been feeling sick the past 2 days. Stream helps the strat. Thank you so much, my friend. I appreciate that. Not bearish at all. I know this is going to explode, just not today, so I'm going to be back to buy more shares. All right, fair enough. I will say that's fine, my friend. I respect that. I think that's a fine idea, but I'll just say this. Please don't mistake this. I just want to tell you one of my experiences, okay? I want to tell you that a lot of people during these days, they said the exact same thing. So, good luck timing the catalyst. But, but hey, short term, you can make a lot of money, right? If this thing is going to trade sideways like it has been, if it's going to move relatively slow and easy to predict without any major catalysts for the next 5 months, dude, you're going to make way more money than I am, right? Percentage-wise, easily, okay? But long-term, if I'm right about the company, my fundamental analysis, short-term people will miss out on a lot of money. I think they will. Right now, we are pretty much getting rejected at 704. Oh, this is bearish. I don't want to scare everybody, but if we confirm the breakdown here, that's bearish. I can't. I mean, there's no other way to say it. I have to call both ways. I have to be honest with you guys. In my mind, yeah, we just confirmed the breakdown. The longer we go with consecutively closing candles below 704, the more likely it is that it's confirmed. Good time to do my first BNGO long call. I would say, is it a good time to buy your first long call? Well, make sure you know what you're doing with the implied volatility for options, okay? There's people in this chat that know more about how this stuff works than I do. I'm not an options expert, but I will say that my option strategy is very simple, okay? It's very simple, but it's just in the money, long-term expirations. That's all it is, right? That's literally all it is. And try to get one with a fairly high volume, or at least decent volume. And yeah, that's what I got right now. Oh my gosh, it's red now. Oh, that's ugly. Look, this is red now. Oh man, that's ugly. That's ugly. That's the first time that's been red in a while. Damn. Listen to me, you bears. Get your hand out of your pants and help pump this thing. Yes, exactly. That's what they need to hear. This is not going to change it, though. They're freaking insane. They're insane. I literally think the bears are insane at this point. I mean, they could be right, but it's insane. I mean, if I was a bear, if I knew what I knew about Bionano, I'd be covering. Okay, if you averaged up here, you've already made a lot of money if you're a short. But no, of course, this is the major flaw of the bears. They don't know when to stop. They get greedy, even more greedy than the bulls maybe do overall, and they want companies to go zero. And this is why short squeezes happen a lot of the time. This is how they start. I'm not saying it's gonna happen. I'm just saying, you know. Good morning to everyone except Simon Barnett. Yeah, screw Simon Barnett. Is there any chance of dilution coming up? Not really. In my opinion, there's about a 5% chance that Bionano does another offering unless we go to all-time highs or close to it. Even if we do that, I don't think they're going to, because they didn't do one at 9. They didn't do one at 15. The CFO has already said their cash position is good, and they don't have a history of screwing over shareholders. So I don't through offerings and screwing them in general. So I don't think we have to worry about that, especially not at these prices. I don't think so. At least in my opinion. Make your own decision, right? I could be wrong. Right. Jivo's down 3%. It is quite the day. It's quite the day. I mean, it's been quite the week. Not a good week. Not in a good way. Not in a good way at all. About 10,000 shares. 10,000 shares bought at 704, and yet we go down because we've got like 1,000 shares sold. That's freaking quintessential right there. Brandon going back to sleep. Bought enough for today. See you at market close. All right, fair enough, my friend. Fair enough. I would want to go to sleep if I were you as well. This is boring and it's depressing. I mean, it's not. I mean, it's. I don't know if it's boring. It's just sad. You know, are we barcoding yet? We're actually not barcoding somehow. Somehow we're not barcoding yet. We do have a buy-side imbalance, by the way, for the day. And the short interest has increased. And yesterday we have the catalyst, potential catalyst. Can I just call it a catalyst? Come on, it basically is. I mean, I don't know if anyone's going to care about it, but it should be a catalyst, right? So this doctor is going to be presenting on June 30th. And we also have, the actual catalyst, a real catalyst that might be priced in already mostly, but still a catalyst. Friday, Russell 3000 is adding thousands of shares to BNGO, buying thousands of shares. And all the funds that track that are going to be doing that as well after it. Yeah, remember to zoom out. 6 months chart always calms me down. Yeah, if you bought the dip, you're fine. You're fine. I don't get stressed out for my portfolio. I get stressed out for the channel. That's my problem. Because we could easily come down and test my average, I guess, bear case, right? Easily we could, but I don't think that's going to happen. And even if we do, I'm just doubling my position. And I'm fine with that. I've been in the red before. My portfolio has been up 133% at one point. I've been down. I've been everything, okay? My account literally changes oh my God. You got the OGs know. My account, it changes 10%. I mean, the portfolio is literally 100% BNGO. So, it changes. It's literally whatever BNGO is doing, that's what my portfolio is doing. But yeah, for anyone getting in right now, I want to tell what the newsweed is. What is this? What is the thing that's going on here? Basically, Newsweek owns 1 million shares of BNGO, and his average cost is at $2. And he has a very interesting take that has to do with. I'll give you a sneak peek. All right, I think I still have it pulled up here. It has to involve this guy's partner and this company right here, FOGT. There is a hole in his synthesis, but only one. Only one. But anyways, he's got a really interesting synthesis, and why I'm actually talking about this is because we're gonna be interviewing each other / just discussing the stock and that theory tomorrow, and we're probably gonna be on some sort of news outlet's probably gonna be covering it. Hopefully, I mean, I don't know. I think a couple of them have been interested, but we haven't got any commitments yet. But I'm in contact with them right now, so. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We'll see. Eric may be a genius when it comes to genetics, but he isn't the best CEO. Yeah, well, that's fine. There's an argument to be made that, the CEO should be all hands-on. But, I think at the end of the day, every CEO does things differently, and some of them just need space to do the damn, develop the damn company and work the company, man. They don't want to you don't want them doing interviews with shareholders and constantly calming down the shareholders on red days. You want them fucking getting the nail and also done, right? I mean, do you know what I mean, right? But there's definitely a balance there, and I would love if the CEO would come out and say some more bullish stuff. Now, I do have a quote from the CEO. I can't actually show you this, but I can tell you the CEO has essentially said that he said we will laugh about times like these. And he said, I don't know what else he said, right, with that. But basically, he said that we were like at $7 a share. And that was, last month, I think it was? Last month or earlier this month. So, Newsweek looks like he's 80 years old. Be careful, he might try to touch your nose. I think he's 61. Yeah, he's 61. Yeah. Come on, Mora. Go down more. Okay, I didn't. Okay, all right, that's it. I'm buying a share. Hold on, let me look at some other indicators here. I'm buying some shares. I'm going to go to my other account and buy some shares here. Come on, let me get it cheaply. Let me get it cheap. Come on. Max shares to buy is 2. 3. Oh, man. I could only buy 3 on this account. That's funny. Unsettled funds. Okay, wait, what? These are unsettled funds. Okay. I'll hold it. Yeah, well. I gotta hold it for like 2 days or something. 2 or 3 days till they settle. I disagree, Eric. I think he's an excellent CEO doing his job and not coddling shareholders. Yeah, that's kind of more my philosophy, but there's a balance there, sure. So, I think you will find him pretty smart, Brandon. Why is it glitching? That's weird. We will do usually doesn't glitch like that. You guys see that? I said whatever. I'll put it in just in case we dip more. I'll put it in right here. This makes no sense. Are we even still on a bullish uptrend? Not really. Not really. We'll see. And the reason why, and everybody, please don't match my trades. Please don't. Guys, this could easily go way wrong. But if you look at the 4-hourly stochastic indicator, guys, you are literally on Mora, you're literally as oversold as you were at $18 a share. So that's how you know it's very auspicious, or at least that's how you know it's likely to be auspicious. In my mind, it is at least, right? If you look at the RSI on the 4-hourly, K, you're at 30. Last time you were at 30, you know what fucking happened, K. You went up 20% in 2 weeks or 1 week, K. So also Bitcoin. Here's the thing. Look at Bitcoin, K. If you look at the weekly Bollinger Bands here for Bitcoin, I mean, yeah, sure, it could go down lower, but you really can't. Okay, 27K, 27.8K is where the lowest you can on the Bollinger Band. So short term, yeah, Bitcoin could crash. I hope it does crash. Then I'll actually make a real position. But yeah, as far as my play money account, yeah, it's time that we actually buy something for once because we don't. It's so boring because like just watching BNGO go sideways all day. So, yeah. All right. What's everyone's next buying point? I'm telling you guys don't think I'm serious. I'm gonna buy a ton of BNGO shares one of these days. It's gonna be, and I will load the boat if I will load the boat if one of two things happen or both, right? If we get a change in the government spending and the economic policies, I will. And if we can get it, something like that, then yeah, make your own opinions. But that and inflation and the accommodative policy, that shit scares me. I need something to happen with that. And also, if Bionano goes down to $5 or $6, if either of those things happen, I will be adding an insane amount of shares. Brandon, trade crude oil. Yeah, I don't know why he hasn't got rid of the debt. Yeah, we still have, what is it? Well, at least based on our knowledge, to our understanding, it's still, to retail investors' knowledge, it's 15, what is it, 15 million? Yeah, is it 15 million? I want to say it was like 18 or 16 million. I don't know. Long term doesn't matter. Long term doesn't matter. I think you meant short term doesn't matter. That's funny. That's funny. I didn't catch that at first. I was like, what? Okay, let me add, tell you what here, let me add Mora up here now so I can see me losing money. Here we go. Let me move this up here. There we go. $7 right now. Yeah, Bionano, guys, I don't want to scare everybody, but here's the thing. Okay, here's the thing. Here's the thing, man. Bionano just confirmed the breakdown pretty much below the 21 SMA on the daily. That was the one thing that we had. That was the one piece of hope that we had left, that we were in uptrend territory. Now, I guess technically speaking, we still are bullish on the Supertrend. We still stochastic indicator. We got some bullish stuff, but essentially, at least, this is what I think. We're pretty much, if we close the day below 704, we're definitely in bearish territory now. Now, does that mean we're going to go way down tomorrow? Not necessarily, right? Technically, we were in bullish territory at the start of today. We went down, right? Remember, just because you're in bullish territory does not mean you're going to go straight up. Okay, sometimes there's false signals, sometimes it's consolidation, whatever. Okay, there's a ton of exceptions, but yeah, we will technically be in bearish territory if we close the day below 704, which it looks like right now we're getting rejected at perfectly. We're getting rejected at it perfectly. I mean, thoughts on this fat Mora dip? Well, I just bought the dip. Yeah, I just bought, well, no, not that. Hold on. This. Yeah, I just bought the dip here. Well, only two shares. I'm only doing play money, technically. And the reason why I'm buying the dip, it can definitely go down a lot further. I really wanted to. On the daily, you're not even in oversold territory at all. On the 4-hourly, however, you're in very oversold territory. And what this means is that short term, I think that it's likely that you're going to bounce. Now, Bitcoin is insane. Bitcoin is obviously insane. There can be headwinds coming in all over the place. And 1,000, in this chat, I'm sure we have 1,000 people thinking different things about Bitcoin. But the outside Bollinger Band on the weekly time frame, right? Remember, this is the weekly. It's not going to move every day. It's only going to move. It's only going to get a new candle, right? It's only going to extend out to there, right? If that makes sense. Every once a week, right? So this is not going to change very much, right? So the floor for Bitcoin, you're basically already at the floor, right? Or at least you're very close to the floor. The floor, technically speaking, is going to be around 28K, and you already kind of hit that. And although I do want more to go down more so I can actually get a real position, I haven't done a live trade in a while. I guess technically we did Microvision yesterday. Yeah, technically we still have that one open? I think we do. I think we do. Hold on. Yeah. Yeah. And AMC. Oh, and I have the AMC share. Oh gosh, it's too confusing. I have too many trades open. I don't even pay attention to them. I gotta start paying attention to my short-term trades. Yeah, let me look at AMC real quick actually. This thing's killing me. It looks like you're pretty oversold in the 4-hourly as well here. It looks like high growth. Let me see Bionanos as well. It looks like almost everything is. Oh well, what the hell? What the hell is Bionano doing? It wants to go oversold, but it's getting support at the oversold right at 20. Dang it, go oversold, so I can buy more. Yeah, that's bullish. Okay, on the daily, you're not looking as good, but you're still looking pretty good. On a lot of and the pattern here. Okay, well, we just broke above 704 now. Okay, wow. Giving me hope. Now Bionano's giving me hope now, short term. Don't give me hope. Don't give me false hope. I don't want to hype everybody else up. But hopefully this is a false breakdown, right? If we get a bounce here, okay, it's not unheard of at whatsoever to get a bounce roughly off of whatever level it is, right? To get a bounce to go down 10 cents below it and then come right back up, right? Because the support levels, sometimes they're just not as clean as you want them to be. Sometimes you just get a validation and it's not, I hope that makes sense, right? You go down, instead of going down to, 695, you go down to 685 and then you come right back. It's like, what the hell happened there? You broke down and then you came back. Sometimes it's just weird like that, right? Sometimes the support level is just a little bit off. So with that being said, if we do close the day above 704, hope is still, there's some hope short term, I would say, at least there's more so than before. Springfield, Missouri, where I'm from. If Bitcoin doesn't close above 30K today, we may see a move down to 22K. I hope so. All right. Right when I say we might... I gotta stop jinxing this. Right when I say we might have hope, we form a top. Damn it. And it looks like we're maybe going to start barcoding here. Oh, no. Come on. Don't freaking double whammy it. Not only is this the top... Okay, there we go. Phew, God. It's probably about to barcode again. But 17,000 shares just bought 709. Come on, 17,000 shares at 709. Come on, we can go higher than 709. Come on. Are you serious? All right, look at this. I want to show everybody something, all right? We just went from 708 to 709. Hold on, let me go right here. The price just went from 708 to 709 because we had 17,000 shares being bought at 709 at the ask, right? At 1 cent above the price. Then we had this amount of selling, which is basically, not even enough, not even like 1/3 of this. And then we go down 5 cents. It's like, this is the same pattern that we've been seeing forever. Yes, it's the buy side imbalances that we've been seeing forever. And what this means is that, well, it probably means manipulation, and it probably means dark pools, and it means shorts, and all this other stuff. But it's just more evidence for market manipulation. It just is. It's as simple as it gets. Would Bollinger Genomics acquire BNGO? I read that post by Always Write the Legend, and I did not think there was a super high chance given what he gave. I mean, it sounds interesting, but maybe I need to give that post another look. But I did read it all, and there wasn't much. The SEC form jargon that they had, it was like nothing about it gave them the explicit right to acquire Bionano, or really anything that I saw or understood that basically indicated that they would be likely to, even that they were even interested in purchasing Bionano. It was just weird stuff. I didn't even understand what most of it meant. Here, let me go back to it. Let me show you what I mean. It's probably pretty hard to find. I'll try to find it though. Yes, the dark pool average for Bionano is like what, 52%, right? Yeah, 54% is the average over the last 20 days, 58% today. Yep. VWAP is 708. Maybe I should start using the VWAP. Let's look at the other stuff. Mora is going down more. Ooh, baby. Culver's up. Micros is going down again. High growth's getting killed again. I mean, it has been getting killed most of today, but look at this. Wish was up like 5% at the start of the day. Now it's down 4%. Oof, that's painful. That's painful. SEN, what the hell is SENS up with? What? Okay. It's weird. CTXR is down now. That's weird. CTXR is selling off. Interesting. Finally, right? 1 day out of 1,000. We're still kicking Nano Dimension's ass on volume. That's the bright side, I guess. Is the Fed talk again bullshit? Yeah, the Fed talk. The Fed is, well, JP is testifying on coronavirus. Somebody please feel free to explain to me what the Fed chairman is doing testifying on coronavirus. And one of them, one of the times, it had the JP testifying on or presenting on climate change. It's like, dude, what is the I mean, I don't know. I would think this guy has more stuff to worry about, you know, but I guess not. He's doing coronavirus and climate change, which is cool, I guess. Just threw another hundo in. I wish I could throw another hundo in. Well, I can. I can throw 6,000 in. Technically, let's see, how many shares could I add? 798, and it's about to be way more than that. It's about to be like more like, it's about to be close to 1,000. And if we go down more, I'll add I'll add one. Yeah, I'll add easily 1,000 if we go down to 6, or if we go lower than my cost average, my average price easily. I'll double it. I'll double my shares. Hopefully, I mean that's the goal. I don't know if I'll be able to, but that's the goal. SENS just goes off for no reason. He's trying to get Biden's agenda passed. All right, we've got boring shit again. We're going sideways again. Let me look at the markets. Nasdaq is up right now. SPY is up, and okay, so everything's going sideways. Literally, this is almost the exact same as we saw at the open. What is up with the markets, man? This is just not the same feel of a market as we used to have, even during the correction. Or I mean, obviously, definitely not before that, right? Before that, it was beauty, but now it's, you know, it's a different atmosphere right now. There's not as much interest. Maybe the stock market's interest has gone down because the volume in a lot of stocks has gone a lot down. Let's see if that actually has any merit based on this, right? This is not the best metric, but okay, so June 13th to 19th, it did go down to 22. Interesting. Let me look at the last 90 days or whatever. $29, and I think that's the lowest it's been for a while. Yeah. So right now it looks like the interest on stocks on Google, of course, take it for what it is. It's Google, okay? It's Google interest, right? Take it for what it is. But yeah, it looks like based on this, I was right. Yeah, interest in the stock market is just not as high as it was. It's just not as high. 706 right now. This is the new world order? It has to do that retail is going to secure options and stocks because of inflation. Remember, guys, when you buy, the options do not affect the stock price really at all. Most of them, there's not many instances where the options actually will affect the stock price. And if you look at the open interest for the next batch of expirations on the option chain here, 16th of July, you guessed it, there's way more options and open interest, way more contracts being held in the call side than the put side, right? Calls on the left, puts on the right. Just look at the open interest column, right? It's not even close. Okay, look at this. So you're not even looking. There's barely any puts. So, and most of these are just people hedging. And if you look at Fintel's institutional put to call ratio, it's very low. Well, not very low. It's at 80. It's at 0.80. So that's small. That means there's more calls being than being held than puts on the institution side. Summer volume will be live volume until earnings season. Then volume will taper off till mid-September. Also, I want to talk about this, guys. No one really uses. No one ever looks at this, which is why I feel like I should show this more. The average stock market, we're looking at, you know, this right now. July is going to be, well, on average, it is what, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th best month for the stock market, or 8th. Yeah, 8th. So not one. I mean, it's it's the 4th worst, but you know, it's a lot better than what June is on average. And after July, you know, and this is one of the reasons why I've been scared to use all my buying power and throw it in BNGO in the last few months. Even back in February, I was looking at this chart and I was like, okay, we've got great months coming up, but I better be, you know, you better be having buying power coming up, buying power ready for the potential drops on in August and September, right? Because that's when it usually happens. So. And then in September, that's when you load. That's when you, at least based on this. Okay, of course, there's only one thing. You need to know more than just this. Okay, the inflation, you know, we could be at all-time highs, market correction coming, whatever. But you need to know that chart. All right. Whole crypto market is taking a beat. They will move back to high growth soon. Yeah, I hope so. Base positive. No, this is my job. I'm in college right now. Well, I feel like we will end up at 715, 5 cents under the starts. Look, ASXC. I'll check that out later. I'll check price target after adding to Russell. What do you think? July calls looking juicy. Dude, I'll tell you what, the calls look pretty juicy right now. I'm telling you. I freaking like what I like. Here's the thing, guys. Let me show you something. All right. I don't want to get everybody's hopes up. High growth. I mean, I guess we could get another. You know, guys. Here's the thing that no one talks about. Right. When you go down like this, right, high growth gets decimated, and then when you go up, when we were at all-time highs, literally the Nasdaq made new all-time highs. High growth was still getting decimated, right? And then we went down again, and then we went up again. High growth still has not recovered to that correlation level, equilibrium, if you will. It's kind of complicated. I hope that makes some sort of sense. As we were on February 16th, right? And let me just give you this example, right? February 16th, the Nasdaq was here, and high growth was here. Nowadays, when the Nasdaq is here, high growth is here. I hope, does that make sense? That's a really important point, and I think one of these days, it's my belief. I mean, a lot of these high growth companies are shit, okay? A lot of them are fraudulent. A lot of them don't even exist. A lot of them are literally just giving away their shit for free, seriously. And that's one of the things that we love about Bionano. It's a legit company with legit people and a legit product. They've got good headquarters. We've actually had several people go down to the headquarters and make sure. And I actually am getting my friend, the legend himself, Brennan, the freaking legend himself. Let me put his Twitter in here right now. He never sees that I put his Twitter in here, but I do all the time. Let me put this in the chat. Everybody go follow this man. This man's a legend, okay? This man's a legend. What was I saying? Yeah, he's going to go. He has someone going down to actually take pictures of the headquarters in the CLI lab right now cuz we want confirmation. We want to know. We're greedy. We as shareholders, we want to know everything we can. And they're very secretive. The C-suite is very secretive over FDA approval, over the CLI lab, over nanonozzle, and what the patents mean from 2016. They're very secretive, and we don't know. We don't know exactly what the hell's going on, so we want to know exactly. And as I'm saying this, we're dipping down to 703. Financial friend earned almost 600K last year from YouTube, Patreon, Webull, BlockFi, a few years and a few Bionanos, and you could retire. No. Nope. Not for me. That person you just shared is always posting his thoughts. So yeah, he is. He's a legend. This is Brennan, the legend himself. Yeah. And here's another thing that no one's talked about. And we should have talked about this more on the channel. There's a chance that they've been doing FDA approval for months now. There's a chance. Now I don't want to get everybody hyped up here. Okay, please. This is total speculation, I guess, technically, but there's a chance that they've been in the process of getting FDA approval for a long time. And they're about to get it, anytime, right? I don't know when, okay? But they are very secretive, and they've been hiding shit. And not hiding shit. They pretty much. I mean, they've tried their best to hide everything. I mean, what the CLI lab, right? They're making new hirings for the CLI lab. There's not been one PR or patent or comment in the earnings call or any presentation about the CLI lab and what they're doing with that. It's like, what is this? What is going on with this? So I don't know, and then we got the PLA codes coming in, and it's just, and then we got the hirings coming in with a ton of people. It's just, I really like what the company has done. Of course, stock price it has got me in a bad mood short term. Short term, the stock price has me pissed off, but the company itself, I love what they've done these last few weeks. I really do. I love it. If you have enough followers, they will buy the stocks you tout, and you sell into those buyers to move on to the next stop on the dump. No. Well, is that what financial friend? I don't know. He's the guy that freaking asks for likes every 5 seconds, isn't he? Brandon, do you think this is going to trade sideways? I don't know, but I think what I've always thought, and I think the same thing that I thought yesterday and over the weekend, and I've been wrong too. Well, technically I haven't been wrong, but I basically have, right? I said there's a high chance of Bionano. What the heck is this? What the heck is going on? Nano Dimension's up 2% right now. I'm jealous. Come on, Bionano. Nano Dimension is now 70 cents above Bionano right now. What? Oh, wow. Look at that. That's beauty, right? When you actually have shares bought, that actually affects the stop price, right? For Bionano, it takes like 5,000 times more shares being bought to get the stop price to go up 1 cent. This pisses me off. But do I think we're going to go silent? I think that if high growth gives us any chance, I think Bionano is going to outperform. I think Bionano is going to run. Yeah, NNDM just exploded. It still is 3% up right now. Oh my gosh, you got to be kidding me. Whew. Whew. I'm going to be very honest. This is very reminiscent of when we were in the 50 cent barcode range. Can I ask you why? That's very bullish, but can I ask you why? Why do you think that, my friend? Help me, Obi, auspicious Kenobi. You're my only hope. You're my only hope. Is that a quote? Is that like some sort of quote? I can't remember. You're my only hope. I don't remember. Anyways, you were the chosen one. You were supposed to bring balance to the force. I find your lack of faith disturbing. I do know that one. That's a good one. That's a good one. We will crush the rebellion with one swift stroke. That's Star Wars, man. Come on. 3D printing stocks are rising at the same time. Is NNDM on the Russell already? I don't know, actually. That's when Leia sends Ben Kenobi R2-D2. A New Hope? I don't know A New Hope. That's why. That's why I don't know. A New Hope is fine. I like them. I think that is New Hope. I don't know the originals. The prequels is what I do. You guys know this. I'm a prequel memer. Prequel memes and all. I like the prequels better than originals. All right, don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, man. Don't kill me. Are we forming a pennant? Yes, we're forming a lightsaber pennant pattern. We're about to break out of the upside. Let's go. Now, young Skywalker, you will die. What? Come on. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? Wait, Jason Smith, how have you not heard us talk about Star Wars before? We talk about Star Wars every day. Come on, man. I can tell your age by if you like the prequels or not. If you're young, if you're my age, you like the prequels. If you're old, you like the originals. Oh, wait, let me ask. Not really, but actually, that is kind of what it is in the aggregate, right? Let me ask you this: are there any old people out there? Not old. I should say old. Are there? No. Are there any people that are in college or below 30? Are there any millennials out there that like the originals better than the prequels? Probably not many. The movie Star Wars is the only one to watch. What do you mean? The Empire Strikes Back is awesome. Define old. False, I'm only 19. The originals are great. What? No. No. Well, do you like the originals better than the prequels, though? I'm 30. Star Wars is garbage, lol. Some of the fights are really hard to take seriously. Some of I think is really hard to take seriously, but a lot of it is really good. I like it. The dialogue in the prequels suck. No. Say what you will about Anakin's acting, whatever, but Kenobi and the Emperor is gold. Come on, it's treason then. Star Wars, the franchise, never been a movie I like. Well, I'll tell you what, the sequels sucked ass. Tell you that. Disney, God, those suck. Also, what do y'all want me to title the stream? Should I change the title to some sort of Star Wars thing? 70s retro tech similar to Firefly, much better than what the. Much better than the computer-generated junk and touchscreens. Really? You think that? I mean, come on, man. Yeah, NNDM just freaking skyrocketed. And then Bionano is just barcoding. Oh my gosh. What if I told you that the Republic was now under the control of a Dark Lord of the Sith? Execute orders at 666. Execute order 66. It will be done, my lord. Name it the Mandalorian watch party. No, I haven't seen the Mandalorian. I feel bad now. I haven't seen the Mandalorian, my friends. Disney is trash. They are trying to claim the Norse gods as their property. Well, I'll tell you what, Disney, the sequels sucked ass. Tell you that much. They were horrible. Absolutely horrible. Do you think the price will drop to low 6s again? No, like I told you, we're in a pennant lightsaber pattern. I'm sorry, but no. I think do I think we're going to $6? No. Only way we go to 6 is if the market's freaking dump, which could happen, but I don't. I mean, it could happen. It's just I'm not fucking betting on that. And hell no. No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Disney is trash. Yes, they are. I think more people appreciate the prequels now thanks to the sequels. Yeah, true. How is the new Star Wars animation cartoon? Name it Obi. What is it? No, I know. Why did you restrict the message? Right now, 708, by the way. Still barcoding. Kind of. Not really. We're kind of barcoding. We're kind of not, though. This is the 1 minute chart. We're kind of not barcoding. We kind of are. It's weird. Chet Weeble article on BNGO. Oh, okay. We got a new one. Here we go. All right, let's give it a look. Let me get rid of some tabs here so my computer doesn't die. It already is dying, let's be honest. All right, this was 8:46 a.m. Okay, here we go. This was just an hour ago. Perfect. Arms risky. Oh, God, what is with the meme? Why do you have to attach Bionano to being a meme stock? Whatever, it's fine, but it's like that's not the number one thing that defines us. AMC. Life Sciences Instrumentation stock. That's a new one. They don't usually call it that, but okay. The company's earnings and revenues are expected to grow 51 and 8% year over year for the ongoing year. We're expected to grow 83.4% year over year. Okay, that's about right. I guess according to something Wall Street, yeah, that's about right. Okay, there's nothing there. I mean, I guess 3 stocks that are being heavily discussed on Twitter, but have double-digit revenue and earnings growth potential. They all carry a hold at present. Don't possess fundamental strength. Yeah, if you only look at the balance sheet, all it takes is one look at the company's website and the earnings forecast and the revenue forecast and the product, and then you'll realize, oh, the fundamentals are better than they make it seem. Yeah, better than negative press, I guess. Yeah, they posted that meme article, but auction has phase 3 approval news and still hasn't posted. Brandon, look up how Disney threw out George Lucas's plans for the sequels. His basic plot got leaked. He wanted Darth Maul as main protagonist. Main protagonist? Do you mean antagonist? Name it Obi-Wan the Space Jesus. What? Obi-Wan the Space Jesus. I'll tell you what. I'll name it. What should I name it? Hold on, wait. No, I'm gonna name it BNGO. The BNGO Lorians are here. hold on. Like what do you call it? The mini calorians or whatever. Is that what it's called? Mini calorians, right? The BNGO Lorians are here. I don't know how to spell that. Lorians are here. Is that how you spell it? I don't know. Screw it. BNGO Lorians. BNGO, the force will be with us always. I like that. I'll change that if you guys want. I will. MIDI. Oh yeah, MIDI calorians. Yeah, BNGO MIDI. Well, yeah. Okay, yeah. BNGO Lorians though. BNGO Lorians. The viewers are going. The viewers are evaporating. That makes sense. I would be going too if I was looking at my big ass forehead all day. I would suck ass. Anyways, I want to look at the stop price real quick. We're barcode is still down 2%. High growth. If anyone's just getting in right now. The only important shit that we have to tell about today. I mean, it's just we're just suffering together. Okay, if you didn't realize this yet, we're just suffering together. That's all this community is doing right now. But I mean, long term, midterm doesn't matter. But anyways, short indices increased today. We have the PLA codes news yesterday, and then we have what was the other thing we had? We had 2 articles, and do we have something else? I feel like we had something else. Okay, yeah, and then we have the Newsweek thing, which is just basically a meeting. We're gonna do an interview. We're gonna get covered by news outlets, hopefully, optimistically. Me and Newsweek is here. I'll go ahead. You know what? Let me look him up for you. Here, if anyone doesn't know who this guy is, this is the guy that we're meeting tomorrow. Mark, is that how you spell his name? Crap. Hold on. Let me look at my contacts. Hold on. I forgot how to spell his name. Crap. hold on. How do you spell his name? 1 second. Mark NJ. Okay, there. Yes. Okay, there he is. Yeah, there he is. This guy right here. Yeah, this guy right here. Yeah, he's got $7 million in BNGO. Average cost is $2. He's up like $6 million or something like that. Yeah. So we're just going insane together. Yes. That's true. We are. That's the damn truth. We're going insane together. I know. Most of us are already insane, like me. Brandon, what's a solid buy range for me to wait for with BNGO? It depends. It depends on your goals. It really does. It really does. I mean, if you look at the indicators, it's not looking horrible. Like on the 4-hourly, you're pretty oversold. On the daily, you're not looking that bad. But from a price action standpoint, you're breaking down below the 21 SMA right now, kind of. If you want to be safe, I would say wait till the close to see if we close the day above or below the support. If we close below, I would wait. If we close above, maybe start your position. But this could, at the end of the day, honestly, this support level is very important. But at the end of the day, if high growth goes up tomorrow, we're gonna hold this. If high growth goes down tomorrow, we're gonna break it. Like at the end of the day, that's 90% sure that's probably what's gonna happen. Whatever high growth does, that's probably gonna dictate if we go up or below this line. So, but here's the thing. Here's what you have to know: is this a good buy point or no? Understand the potential market headwinds and understand the tech of the Sapphire and understand the short interest right now, and you'll know. You'll know better than I. Star Wars: Rise of the Sapphires. Okay, done. I'm doing that. Hold on. Let me copy and paste that. Yes. BNGO Stock Star Wars. That's awesome. That's awesome. Thank you so much. That's legendary. Okay, we did see that. Thank you, Green Monster. Green Monster's a legend. God, that guy's awesome. Are you out there, Green Monster? Probably not. I understand if you're not. I understand. But yeah, thank you. That's awesome. All right, start BNGO Stock, Star Wars: Rise of the Sapphires. Oh, yeah, I'm back. What's up, Marco? I haven't seen BNGO green for a while now. Dude, come on. It's been 2 trading days. We were green on Friday, right? Wait, were we? Were we green on Friday? We were green last week a few days. Were we green on Friday? Let me see. No, we were not. Wait. No, we were. Yes. 17th. No, that's yesterday. That's Friday. Okay, Thursday we were green. 17th of June we were green. So it's been 3 trading days. This is the 3rd trading day in a row that we have been red. All right. Yeah, we did go red on Friday. Make sure you guys are live. Make sure you fast forward to being live. Alrighty. Tattooed Chef is down. Stem is down. Everything's down. It's blood, carnage, death all around. There's death for everybody. We can all suffer together, which is amazing. There's nothing I like better. Microvision's down 13% now. Yes, go down more. Mara's down a lot. I'm kind of surprised there. Still, well, I'm not. Well, I am and I'm not. Bitcoin's going up and Mara's going down. There you go. There it is. That's a return to the normal. There you go. What the heck? Look at that chart. GameStop up 7%. CTXR is down 5%. CTXR is down. SENS is up for no reason again, which is cool. Money's going out of crypto, really. I mean, it's gone out of crypto, but yeah, dip buying going on right now. Maybe 704 right now. Yeah, there was a long dark time before BNGO rocketed that required real commitment. It happens. I wish I could relate to you exactly, but I wish I was in here at this point, but no. I was in. Well, I wish I made a serious investment all the way at $1. That would have been sweet, but I didn't. But now I have a pretty. I mean, it's not the best, but I'm not complaining. When you're in the green, you can't complain. Never complain when you're in the green. It's similar to the last time we barcoded. It was to shake the weak hands out. And to my recollection, I don't recall in the barcode phase Bionano releasing any PR. Like, if you're talking about the barcoding phase, like before the run up, maybe. Oh man, gosh damn, I'm too tired. Oh, wake up, Brandon, wake up. Oh, this is already boring enough. Why are you yawning now, right? All right, here we go. Let me go back to this. Okay, so that's the guy that we're going to be doing an interview with. Hopefully you see us on the news tomorrow. I honestly don't really think so, but I hope so. I hope so. We're going to do an interview. One way or another, we're going to do an interview. Yeah, one way or another. And we're going to talk about his freaking theory. And I'm going to tell him this is not freaking realistic, but I hope it happens because they only have $700 million in cash. Or not cash, total assets. So if they were going to buy Bionano, I don't know how they would do it. But, maybe they have money. Maybe they have money that they, I don't know. Maybe in the future they will. But all right. No, I'm not bashing SENS. No. If you're talking to me. Those foothills before the peaks were mountains to us. The volatility was wild. Went from like 70 cents to 40 cents. Disaster. Held through that, and it was just decimal points. I'm hodling. Price today does not matter. I'm with you. I will hodl you. I will hodl with you as well. I will follow you, my brother, my captain, my king. I would have followed you to the end. Did anyone watch Lord of the Rings here? I hope so. Probably not. Let's check the Discord. Do we have any updates here? Let me check. If anyone's just getting in here now, I can give you some value before you click off, right? Short interest is up 1.63% of the day. Almost 50 million short interest. Almost over 18% of the free flow currently sold short. Not yet covered, my friends. Why is Bionano going down so far? Well, probably because the freaking short interest has gone from not even 40 million a few weeks ago, now to 50 million. You heard that correctly, my friends. You heard that freaking correctly. This is what my brain does. Every time I see the short interest going up on the day. Freaking seizure. All right, it makes no sense. It's horrible. It just tells you that the shorts are arrogant as hell and they want to push this shit down as low as they can, and they're not going to stop. And this is one of the things that screws them over in the long run. This is what has started and instigated many short squeezes in the past, and it will continue to do so in the future. Make your own decision, but I think I don't want to get too bullish, but I think if my fundamental analysis is correct on the company, it's going to fucking happen. It's going to fucking happen, mate. FOOK, right? What are those memes? Does anyone watch those memes? I guess those are unknown. What's in the canister? Yeah, Brandon, is there a DD that I can use without ape language? Without ape language? What? I'm not sure I understand your question. Why do you why do you need a DD without ape language? Here, I'll just, you know what? And this is for you and all the other people out there if anyone needs this. This is the full due diligence that you all need to share. Okay, that's the document 100 and what? I haven't added to this in a while because I don't know. I just haven't. 112 pages, though. Yeah, I still need to work on the nano nozzle and lineage and sections. Brandon, you play Rainbow Six Siege? No, I do not, but I watched meme videos that were about Rainbow Six Siege, so... So, no, I did not. If you have a long-term horizon, no, it's just the beginning. Yes, it is just the beginning. It is. For serious people. No, I still recommend doing this. I still recommend doing this. This is as serious as you'll find. You won't find one that's more serious than this, in my opinion. Could your short interest data be wrong? How is that data source? It's not. Well, yeah, it technically could be wrong. Yeah, it definitely could be wrong. It's according to Ortex data, though, which is the best. It's the best source that we have. It really is. It's the best source that we have. And they get basically, I've heard the number, the word on the street is that basically they take their data and they get it from 85% of exchanges. So that's kind of, and obviously dart pools, they don't know shit about the dart pools, but it's the most accurate that we're working with. But sometimes it is wrong. Are we seeing a structural support at $7? Structural variation at $7 more like. Brandon, what PC games do you play? I don't play PC games, my friends. PC games, yeah, I wish. Freaking blow. My computer already almost blows up. This is a new laptop that you're looking at the screen right now. New laptop, $700 or whatever, which is the most fancy thing I've ever had in my life. That's probably a little bit too much. I have my own car, but that's probably more. I don't know. The car sucks, but Anyways, this computer's already gonna die. I mean, it's done well. It's just, you know, I feel like it's already gonna die. It's all well. I guess the CPU does well usually, but yeah, I think my computer will blow up if we did games and a stream, my friend. We will laugh at times like these. Yeah, we will. Yeah, we will. Fidelity available shortable shares increased from 300 to 800K today. So your odd your data says it's increasing. Well, here's the thing, Sean. A lot of those, and here's the thing. That's a great question. Here's the thing. This is not disrespectful, but I have to tell you the whole story here. If we look at the short share availability according to Fintel, it's decreased, okay? And here's the fact for you. The short share availability, what you're looking at there, right? You're looking at the available shortable shares. So that's essentially the short share availability, same as Fintel. It's not just based on how many shorts have covered and how many shorts are done having their shares being lent out and returning them. There's more factors that go into the short share availability, to my understanding, okay? Do your own damn research, but there are way more factors than this, okay? FTDs, synthetic shares, literally synthetic shares actually do, synthetic shares have a ton of fucking influence on the market, so we don't even know about, okay? I haven't even talked about the option stuff. You can just watch trades videos on the option stuff, which is great information, actually, but that are recent videos. But yeah, there's more data, and there's more factors in that determines the short share availability, so yeah. Barcoding again. Let's go. Barcoding. Had to look up structural variation. Wait, what? You didn't know structural variation? I don't understand. You're here on this stream, but you don't know structural variation? Was about to ask you to explain the Finto short share availability. Lol, thanks for that. Oh, hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, I'm glad I did. Right. My money is coming in a week, and I'm hoping Bitcoin and BNGO can stay down a bit longer. Ooh, I hope it does for you. For your sake, I hope it does. It would suck if it started running right after. That's what happens to me all the time. Or I guess not anymore now that we do the streams, but it has, you know. I guess everyone kind of has had that happen. Did you really call someone out for not knowing something? What? The company just entered the growth phase, and the growth phase lasts for many years. NNDM had low volume, and it's up. This is just barcoding. Yeah, we're just barcoding straight up. We're barcoding. Thank you, Sean. I appreciate that. Thank you for being able to see the other side there. NNDM is jumping way higher than us. Yeah, it is. I know. It skyrocketed. It skyrocketed freaking, what, 15 minutes ago? 30 minutes ago? 30 minutes ago. Star Wars: The Rise of the SAPHYRS. Sounds better than the Force Awakens. Sucks. Disney's freaking take a break. This is boring. Okay, fair enough. Y'all want me to end it? All right, we will. We'll end it. I will. Seriously, I feel your pain, man. It's not just you getting bored. There's nothing to talk about here. We got 20,000 shares. We bought $7, but we're straight up again every day. Why is it every single day? Literally almost every day these last few weeks, it seems like we do some sort of big move at the open, and then we literally just go sideways the entire rest of the day. It sucks. It sucks. Nothing to see. Come back at the close to C6. Okay, buddy. All right. Sorry, I don't mean to degrade you or attempt to degrade you, but let me just show you this. I'm sorry about the Sapphire. Your buddy Robbie Smith here. Okay, July 20th. $2.10. All right, that's kind of, and your predictions, I don't have yours screenshotted, but I don't have to, okay? Because everybody knows that you make a damn $6 prediction every day, and it never happens. So, fix it, Brandon. Use your remote. Do a cooking stream when it's boring. If you're here long term, you have nothing to worry about. We will reach all-time highs again. I agree. I'm pretty sure all the people that watch these streams at this point, everyone knows what's going on. So yeah. People afraid of all the crash and FUD and crypto crash are probably scaring many new investors away. At the end of the day, no one knows what the hell. At the end of the day, although we all like to explain the market going down and up, at the end of the day, all we know is what we know, and we don't know who's buying and selling today. What we do know is that there's this event is likely to scare the market today, although it's stupid because I don't really know what he's going to say in here about it's not like they're going to ask him. I mean, I guess they could ask him about interest rates in here. It's not like JP is going to say something on testifying on coronavirus. It's not like he's going to say something that's like insane about the interest rates, is it? I mean, I could be wrong. I guess somebody correct me if I'm wrong, but does the Fed chairman usually get asked about interest rates on a coronavirus testifying thing? I don't think so. Anyways, this is going on, and then the 10-year break-even inflation is still like pretty down. So the market's still going down. It's like what? Why? The Nasdaq's about to break above all-time highs for once, finally. So BNGO tweet. Oh, we got a new one. No way. We got another one? Oh, this is sick. Yes, we got another good one. All right, this is good. I'm actually excited about this. All right, hold on. Yeah. FSHD Society is hosting a webinar on June 29th, 7 a.m. Pacific time. Wow, weird. That's the same time almost as the other one, just one day before. A different doctor, FSHD detection. Nothing else can detect FSHD as good. Wow, what was it? Crap, I forgot what Brennan said the other day. Damn it. Anyways, this is good. This is good to see. But yeah, we're going to end the stream here in 5 minutes. We're going to end the stream here right in a second. This is good. And this is good. Dude, let me just reiterate 1 second, okay, with all the people that have actually watched the stream this far. Let me just tell you why why my confidence has increased so much in Bionano's fundamentals in the last few weeks, okay? Chief Commercial Officer hiring, right? And the credentials of that guy are insane. Chief Business Officer, credentials of that guy are insane. Again, plus the FDA approval, hinting experience with FDA approval, plus he used to work at Illumina, okay? Also, we've got the CLI lab listings, and we've basically got confirmation, okay? Well, the C-suite has been very secretive of this. Okay, trust me, they've been very secretive. They don't want to give any information about the CLI lab. But we've essentially got more. We've basically got confirmation of the CLI lab. Okay, essentially. Okay, and that's number 3. And then number 4, we've got the presentation that was from yesterday, right? This webinar right here. And then we also had this one right here. And also, I remembered earlier, and I'm glad I just remembered this. I think we missed the Lineagen, whatever. I'll talk about that later. I'll look at that later. But the Lineagen, where is it? Did I have a bookmark here? I don't think I do. Did anyone see? I bet no one did. But if anyone saw the Lineagen presentation yesterday, I wasn't able to see that because I just straight up forgot about it because it's the Lineagen, right? But if anyone saw that, please give me a summary and tell me if there's anything that we actually should know. I'm sure there's nothing cool in it. But anyways, all right, yeah. And then we have Russell, 3000 inclusion. Obviously, we have that. Very soon. Very, very soon. Shares being bought at the ask right now. The Sith took everything from me. Ripped me from my mother's arms. Murdered my brother. Used me as a weapon. And then cast me aside. Abandoned me. Once I had power, now I have nothing. Oh, whoever said... The person who said that is escaping me right now. Hold on. I want to know who said that. Oh, that's a freaking... Is that a Clone Wars? A mall? Interesting. Yeah, I didn't know that for a reason. I never saw those. 710 right now, by the way, down about 1.5%. Finally going up for once. Jesus. Save something for your videos for the nighttime. Well, okay, the same doctor that we're talking about right here also talked earlier. Good. About FSHD. University of something in Belgium. On January 14th, though. Okay, well, that's not as big as I thought. Okay. PLA codes was the most positive thing. Research results are good and all, but others will have to check the results before they can be monetized. The PLA codes, everybody has a different conflicting opinion. All right, they're a step towards reimbursement. They're a step, quote, this is from a very extremely good source. They're a key step. What was it? Hold on, let me get the quote. I don't want to screw this up. Hold on. I'll get the quote for you. No one watched this video. You could just watch this video if you want, but here, this right here. Okay. The PLA codes are a key part of moving OGM further. That's a quote from a very, very, very good source of information for Bionano. So, and they make it easier for labs to adopt SAPHYRS once there are more and more PLA codes. And also, they also said, the same source said, they or someone else did, some good source. I forgot if it was the same guy that said that one or a different one. But they also said it's PLA codes can help the labs actually pay for the SAPHYRS, which is very weird because we got some people talking about the reimbursement stuff. We got some FDA approval, a step towards FDA approval stuff. Then we got the what did Jay say here? The results before the monetize. So everybody says a different thing. And then if you look up the articles, obviously we looked up the article. I looked up like 5 articles yesterday and showed them in the videos. Nothing is clear. Okay, they're literally just a way to specifically identify tests or whatever. So it's like it's like what the hell? See, it's where does it say here? Yeah. It's for labs or manufacturers that want to more specifically identify their tests. So it's like, well, why would a company want to do that? Is it for FDA approval? Is it for reimbursement steps? Is it for FDA approval steps? You don't know. You don't know. So I would, still, everyone says a different thing here. But anyways, what we do know for sure is that PLA codes are good news, and we've got from an extremely good source. I can't actually tell you the source, but the source is saying that PLA codes are a key part in moving OGM further, which is, come on, you can't get much better than that. So it's good news. Of course, stock price doesn't care, whatever, it doesn't care. It's typical. It's typical. So, yeah. And with that being said, let's get out of here. It means insurance companies can save money using OGM. Yeah, it looks like, I've heard from most sources say it's a step in the right direction towards that. Yes. No, Julie, no. Well, yes, but also no. Yes and no, Julie, on that. No. An even better source than that. All right, let's get out of here. I'm gonna end the stream here. All right, thank y'all so much, man. Last minute, I'll end it with the portfolio showcase, and we're at 17 right now, so I guess this is a good. I guess this is a good place to end it. I'll end it with the portfolio showcase, and last minute questions, unless I'm missing something. No, run the stream the entire day. Oh man. I'm glad that you want me to. I missed the days that we did because we only had like 3 days that we had a lot of views. The channel was blowing up there for a second. I really thought the channel was going to blow up there for a second because we had Bionano was mooning and we had like a ton of views for 3 days. And then it was just, it was just way down. So this is how Liberty dies with thunderous applause. Yeah, I remember that quote from Padme. Don't get me wrong. Padme is hot as hell. I love Padme, but not my favorite. I don't know. I like her stance on Liberty. I like that. I like that she doesn't like the whole emperor socialism type, communist shit, right? Nazi shit that the emperor is doing, right? I like that, but anyways, all right, let's get out of here. Thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. All right, let's get out of here. There's the portfolio. There's no last minute questions, so we're getting out of here. It could be the research. Could be for the research the company is doing this year. To only have like 5 tests or something. Oh, you're talking about the 5 large clinical studies? Maybe. I sold my BNGO and bought Clorox stock. Predicting a huge uptick in bleach sales from this chat. Yeah, that's damn true. Yeah, that's true. Get ready. Once it does moon, no doubt you'll stick out like a sore thumb. I know. I'm hoping once BNGO does well again. If it does, I'm hoping that channel will do well again. All right, thank y'all so much. This is not financial advice. I will see y'all in Power Hour stream later. I'll see y'all in the next one.